You ever trusted someone so much, you never even imagined they could hurt you? Yeah, me too. This is a story about betrayal, but more importantly, it's about what happens after. There was a guy named Marcus. Hardworking. Loyal. The kind of person who would stay late just to make sure everyone else succeeded. He believed in one thing deeply: if you give your best to people, they'll give their best back. Sounds fair, right? But life doesn't always play fair. Marcus had a best friend, Jake. They built everything together. Dreams, plans, even a small business from scratch. Late nights, early mornings, sacrifices, they shared it all. Marcus trusted Jake with everything. And that's exactly where it went wrong. One day, Marcus walked into the office, and something felt off. People were whispering. Phones were going silent when he walked by. Then came the truth. Jake, his best friend, had cut him out of the business. Legally. Quietly. Strategically. Behind his back. Everything Marcus helped build was gone. Just like that. No warning. No conversation. No loyalty. Just betrayal. Now here's where most people break. Marcus went home that night, sat in silence, replaying everything. How did I miss it? Why would he do this to me? Was I not good enough? The questions were louder than his thoughts. And for a moment, he felt like giving up. But then something shifted. Not outside. Inside. Marcus realized something powerful. Betrayal doesn't destroy you. It reveals you. It shows you your strength, your blind spots, and your next level. So instead of staying down, Marcus got up. No drama. No revenge. No begging. Just focus. He started again. From zero. This time, smarter. This time, stronger. This time, with boundaries. Months passed. Then years. Marcus didn't just rebuild. He built something bigger. Something better. Something unshakable. And Jake? Jake lost everything. Because success built on betrayal never lasts. Here's the truth most people don't tell you. The people who betray you are often the same people who prepared you. They teach you what to avoid. They force you to grow. They push you into becoming someone you never thought you could be. So if you've ever been betrayed, don't let it define your ending. Let it define your rise. Because one day, you'll look back and realize that moment that broke your heart was the same moment that built your life. Stay strong. Stay focused. And never let betrayal stop your story.